Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Informant. If you're new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, education, placement drives, and many more. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do hit that red button so that you get latest notifications first on your screen. So, as you know, today we are back with a very important video that is KCET Option Entry Procedure 2026. Yes, this year's option entry has started and we'll be sharing you all the details which you require for this option entry and also the procedure how you need to do option entry, right? So we'll start our today's video. Before starting our today's video, I just want you to remind that our services where we help students in option entry, we are helping students since past 3 years in the option entry, right? So people get confused. Some people get good rank, you see, and they get ending up into some bad colleges, and people with average rank try to get into good colleges. They somehow get into it, right? So these things happen in option entry. This is purely because lack of knowledge. People don't know which college to select upon the placement. So engineering must be selected based upon the placement. Without placement, it is like almost waste. It is very hard to get jobs, off campus. So you need to consider the placements and also the location. It's very important according to your location, which is the best college you can get, and in colleges, which is the best branches available. Like few colleges will have very good branches, very good placement for those specific branches. So this is where our expertise come in. We help you guys to get, we give you a proper list of colleges according to your rank. So what one, two, three, which priority wise, which order, which branch you can put. We give everything. And this is a paid service just for rupees 249. If you guys are interested, you can, fill in the Google form. We'll give it in the description. And if people last year who took this service were very satisfied, if you want, you can attach their reviews and comments for your satisfaction. This is just a small token amount for our effort, nothing else. So let's start our today's video. Just get into any browser and select search for KCET. If you search for KCET, the first website which you'll get is this KEA official website. So once you click on this KEA official website, that is cetonline.karnataka.gov.in, you get two options, Kannada and English. People who would face difficulty in Kannada or English either, you can select your comfortable languages for better understanding. And once you open this, you can see there are in flash news also you are getting this link, and in important news bulletin also you are getting this link. There are two links, both are the same, and you can see option entry enabled for engineering, agriculture, nursing, and farm sciences. Right. So let us open UGCET 2026 option entry link one. Once we open the link one, similar interface to the last year portal. They have improved the UI a bit, yeah, but similar interface. And you can see over here there are three-step procedure to log into this portal option entry login. First one is you need to scan your QR, which is present in your verification slip. So during your document verification, you might have got a verification slip, and in that verification slip, you will be having a QR. Just scan this QR. Second is the OTP you'll get, and third is verify the face. Just come in front of camera and click a picture of your face. You'll just directly get into the portal, right? This is the simple process you need to follow for login. Let me log in and let me show you. And same procedure as of last year, right? Same procedure as of last year. So let me show you. So once you log in, you can see you land into this page, right? You land into this page, and here there is first option alert that is coming that all category students should pay a non-refundable 750 rupees amount, right? You need to pay 750 amount in order to do your option entry. And if you have made the like you have made the payment and you're not getting this link enabled, the option entry link, it will not be enabled for starting time, like before you make the payment. So if it is not enabled, you can contact KE immediately, but most of the cases it will be enabled, right? If it is not, you can drop down in the comment section. I'll guide you how you can, get contact the KE. Once you click make the payment, you'll have option to pay 750 over here. Make payment via UPI, any comfortable mode of payment you want, make it and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you land into this page.
On OK, there is an option if you can see over here, right? Pay online. You need to click on that option. After you click on that option, the option entry link, which is there over here left side, which is not enabled, which is not in blue yet, that gets enabled. If you can see, yes, I could not take the screenshot of that. So option entry link gets enabled. So as you can see, the option entry dates are given over here. The option entry starts from 1/1/2025, and this is sample demo date, but don't take this seriously. 25/8/25 is the 25th of August they are telling, but this is not the case. What I got to see, if you can see over here in previous slide, if you can see over here, the date which closes on 14th July 2025, right? What's the date today? After they've given like 3 to 4 days, right? You have still time. It closes on 14 July 2025. So make sure you don't get these dates wrong. You need to fill in before 12 a.m. 14 July 2024. This is option entry, right? After clicking on candidates option entry link, right, you'll get a notification where you can read that as I'm aware that option entered by me on the first round will continue in the subsequent rounds, right? So you'll get to do option entry only once, then after that only you'll get to rearrange, right? You cannot add and delete options. So that's the case. So you need to click on agree. After you click on agree, you'll get into this page where you need to select your course for which field you want to do your option entry. Assume you want to do for you want to fill it out for engineering courses, right? Click on engineering courses. Once you click on engineering courses, various engineering colleges, this page appears as assume like this. So you have two options to select your colleges. One is by course, one is by college. If you click on course, you'll get like mechanical engineering, computer science engineering. You can filter out by that courses itself, and you'll get list of colleges which are providing those courses. No, if you assume you don't want to go by course, you want to go by college, assume E001, which is VTU. So if you want to go, you can select college and you can see which all courses VTU offers. Then you can give option entry. How to give option entry? Like this is a very important step. As you can see in the left side, if you can see, VTU tab is open and you can see over here option number. So assume you want to take up artificial intelligence. You want to give that as first option in VTU. In option number, you just need to come down and click on one over here. Then if assume you want to give computer science as your second option, you click on 2 over here in computer science, that is third row in VTU. Click on save and submit. If you click on save and submit, the same will reflect on the right side, which is in green, right? One, two, three, in the same order which you have given on left side. Assume you fill out 10 colleges, for example. As I have filled out few medical colleges for you know for for showing you. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the 10 colleges are in the right side. Now assume you want to reorder this. How to reorder? You just can change it in the right side. Right side in the green, if you can see option number, you just change from 1 to 2. Assume you want to select Mysore Medical College, which is in option 2. You want to put it out in the option 1. So what you need to do, clear 2 and type 1 over here in Mysore Medical College phase in the right side, which is in the green side. And for 2, that is Bangalore Medical College, click you clear 1 and put on 2, and down if you can see there is an update button, right? Click on that update button. Once you click on the update button, it gets rearranged. So if you want to rearrange, right side is the column. If you want to add the colleges, left side. So you can fill out various colleges, various courses from the left side. You can fill 100. There is no limit, right? You can fill out any, and make sure you click on save and submit so that it is not lost. Your data is not lost in case of any interruptions. I hope you guys are clear with this. I can brief you once again. Like left side is the option entry where you can give options 1 to 10 or 1 to 100, anything. You can select according to the courses, according to the colleges, anything. Once you click on save and submit, right side it will appear. If you want to modify, you need to just change the option number in the order in which you want to modify. I hope this is clear. If you still have doubts, you can drop down in the comment section. If you guys are having difficulty in understanding English, many of you are from Kannada medium. So if you can post your comments in Kannada as well. We are happy to respond you in Kannada. That's not an issue. Motto is you must understand everything, right? So this is all. After you select, as I told you, you can modify. You can see over here in the screen right side, I can clear out 38 and put on some other option which I want, where I want to send that college number 38 to, right? This is the whole process, guys. After you do this, you can update. You can just download the option entry report. Thank you for watching our today's video. If you find our content informative, please subscribe. Stay tuned.